How you doing? My name is David Johnson. I am the owner of Grill Beast Barbecue Accessories in New Orleans, Louisiana. I'm sure you know, Texas has been hit with a devastating Category 4 hurricane, and tons of rain has come in after and has flooded Houston and surrounding areas. So what our Grill Beast Badass Grilling members wanted to do is start a GoFundMe page that is actually going to go straight. It's going to go to our GoFundMe page and then funneled straight to the barbecue relief fund. So, and they do any natural disaster that happens, or any disaster that happens in the country. They're right on it. They go out and they barbecue and cook for the volunteers and for survivors and things like that. So we want to do our part, and we hope that you can do yours. Any amount of money is great. $5, $10. Our first pledge is going to be $500. If you can match that, it'd be awesome. If you can't, that's still good. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much, and peace out.